These two vehicles are now entering the final stage of the export process. A 2025 Toyota RAV4 GZ package and a 2022 Nissan Leaf X. Carefully inspected and prepared for secure container loading. Soon they will begin their journey to Barbados. Thank you for choosing Grand Auto Japan. Grand Auto Japan, your trusted Japanese vehicle exporter. Shop online now, www.grandauto.jp. The leading vehicle exporter from Japan.